Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Inktober day 13, and for this prompt, it's called rice. So for this prompt, medyo nag-isip ako if I'm gonna be doing a sunrise, kaso baka naman magmukha lang din siyang sunset, kasi nga same color lang naman siya. So because of that, I decided to make the drawing is just like a wave. So ayan, so rising wave. So, initially, gumamit ako ng 0.1 um, na marker. Kasi gusto ko lang na medyo manipis na outline. Gawa nga para magmukha namang maganda yung ating wave. And then for the shadowing, so ayan, nag-highlight lang ako sa marker. And then later on, kukulayan natin siya para medyo may maganda naman tingnan yung ating drawing. So ayan, lining muna tayo. So again, I added some doodles design, just some squiggly lines na katulad din lang ng structure ng wave. So first, gumamit ako ng black, and then ayan, erase muna tayo ng pencil, and then we will finalize it later. And then ayan, color muna tayo with a blue highlighter. So medyo iniisip ko dyan na paano yung lighter na blue. So, ang ginamit ko na lang is yung calligraphy pen for the lighter part. Ayan. So, just a light blue. Ayan. So, dati kasi may mga ball pen talaga ako na may color kasi kaso lang hindi ko pa nahahanap yung mga gamit ko for arts. So, for the white part, so gamitan na lang natin siya ng acrylic pen. Ayan. Although, hindi naman siya masyadong nakikita kasi medyo white lang din naman yung paper natin. And then, for the doodles, ayan, pinatungan ko lang siya ng pink just to add more color. Kasi medyo boring lang naman yung itsura ng ating art if blue naman. And then, I added some green. Ayan, just to add more colors to it para naman hindi siya masyadong boring. So, more lines, more squiggly lines, and that's our final output. So, that's it for Inktober Day 13 Rise. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. See you again next time. Bye!